Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download yarn videos on iPhone. Let's begin. First, open Google and search for yarn.co. This is the official website. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Tap on it and search for the clip you want. For example, I'll type Sigma male and hit enter. Now, you'll see a list of video clips. Let's say I want to download this one. Just tap on the clip. It will start playing. To download it, tap on the download button below the player. This will open a new page where the video plays again. While the video is playing, drag down from the player. You'll now see a download button. Tap on it and the video will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, tap Open File. At the top, you'll see a drop-down arrow next to the file name or address bar. Tap on that and choose Save to Files. Now, select your desired location to save the video, like Downloads or iCloud Drive. Then tap Save at the top right corner. After that, tap Done. That's it. If I open my Files app and go to the folder I saved it in, you can see the downloaded yarn video is there. And that's how you can download yarn videos on iPhone. Thanks for watching.